Hello friends, today's recipe is Modak, which is a popular sweet made during Ganesh Chaturthi. There are varieties of Modak and I am going to make the traditional steamed Modak, also called Ukadiche Modak. It sounds difficult to make, but I'll share all the tips and tricks, so watch the video till the end. Modak is made in two parts. Its outer coating is made of rice flour, which is stuffed with coconut and jaggery. So for the outer cover, we need 1 bowl of rice flour and 3 bowls of water. For the filling, I have taken half bowl of jaggery and 1 bowl of grated coconut, a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 to 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Additionally, I am adding some dry fruits like cashews, almonds, pistachios and a tablespoon of raisins. These are all optional and you can skip it if you want. We will start with making dough. For that, we need to boil the water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. When the water starts boiling, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and then add the rice flour. Mix it well so that no lumps are formed. You can also add some more water if required. Now switch off the flame and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, transfer it to a large bowl and let it cool so that we can knead it to prepare a smooth dough. By the time it is cooling, let's prepare stuffing. In the same pan, add grated coconut and roast it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until you get a nice coconut aroma. Now add the dry fruits and cardamom powder. Add jaggery and raisins and cook them on low flame until jaggery melts and combines with the coconut. The coconut jaggery filling is ready. Let it cool and then we'll shape them into small balls. Now apply oil on your hand and knead it until it becomes smooth. From this we'll make small lemon-sized balls. Apply some oil on hand and flatten the ball. Press the edges to make it thin like this. Now place the filling at the center and join the edges at the top. You can use spoon or fork to make the design just like the Modak mold. Prepare all the Modak in this way. The Modak is ready. I will now steam them. You can also fry some of them if you want. For that, I have already boiled the water in a deep vessel. Now grease the perforated plate like this and place the Modak on top of it. Make sure that the plate is above the water level. Now cover it and steam them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, plate out the Modak and be careful of the steam. The delicious modak is ready. Let's welcome Ganesha with his favorite sweet modak. Please try it out and let me know your comments. If you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe.